I'm being presumptuous here. I presume the drivers are electric and the drivers are China demand. You tell me, though.
It is both. China, of course, was very quick back into recovery and into growth. But US also followed, a bit surprising. I mean, if you listen to all restrictions they have there. But we had both in China and US a growth for the full year. In Europe, the recovery was slower. So there we see the second half year then returning more or less to last year's level. But altogether, it was 7% up and a huge increase in the second half year. Electrification helped us also, as we are really, if you look into our recharge cars that you can charge, we have the highest share of all makers in that segment. In Europe, it was around 30% here for the full year. So almost 1 car out of 3 is chargeable now from Volvo.
Håkan, I see the great forward leap in electric, and I'm excited about it as much as anyone. I see the governments around the world bringing forward the end of ICE engines, something you've talked about a lot on this programme as well. I remember you sitting next to me talking about it as well. But I don't see the huge leap forward in infrastructure to support the electric drive. Governments are failing there, aren't they, building charging points at the rate they should be?
I don't know if they are failing, but I mean, we definitely need to see more. And I mean, government should really support and promote that, of course. But we need also, of course, commercial actors going in here and investing in that. I think all big change of petrol stations really need to think about how will this look 10 years from now. And I mean, if you are early out, you will be a winner. So I definitely would like to see more activity there. But of course, it's a bit hen and egg. I think we need also to bring out cars. And I mean, right now we are bringing out cars and a lot of consumers can have these cars charged at home and then really charge when they're out on long distance travel. But really to have the breakthrough, we need to see more fast charging out on the roads. Absolutely.
Auto watchers have noted the challenge that you've thrown down to Tesla with your global sales target by 2025. That said, we're watching whether there's going to be a new challenger in the form of an Apple car. What do you make of how disruptive that could be to your market if Apple does enter the equation?
There will be disruption now. I think we are in a situation, I said that sometime, a bit maybe like 100 years ago, there is a new technology coming, a lot of new actors coming in, exactly as it was in the traditional car industry, and then it consolidates. I think now there will be a lot of startups. You could almost see every day there is new, and I think it's very stimulating. And of course, Apple and Tesla, big ones, they will be putting pressure on the traditional premium makers. And the best way to react is, of course, to adapt. And really have a firm belief what you want to do with the company. I mean, that's really what we have taken. Our future is being an electric premium car maker. And I mean, I believe this change will come faster than many people think today.